How to edit a name in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to edit a name in Shopee. First, open the Shopee application on your mobile device. Next, you will get to see an option that says Me from the bottom right corner. So tap on Me. Now, you need to tap on the settings icon at the top. Here, you will see Account and Security. So tap on Account and Security. Then tap on your username. Now, tap on Continue. You can now edit the name as desired. Finally, tap on Save. As you can see, the name has been successfully edited. This is how you can edit your name on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.